top 5 pigtails. Number 5, Y38B5. Now this smart bar up here, this is gonna be your best friend. This thing is going to contain everything that you might need help with, any part you're looking for. Even if you need repair help, if you just start typing in how to, it will automatically fulfill how to repair videos to help you. So our number 5 top selling 5-pin connector is Y38B5. As we scroll down, you can see a complete list of fitment and functions this connector can be used for. You could scroll over the image, get a really close-up look by hitting that magnifying glass, and see that it comes with wires already installed. It's mainly going to be used for windshield wiper motor for select Lexus, Toyota, Dodge, Chrysler vehicles. But as you can see, it has a wide array of fitment and it's interchangeable with multiple make, models, and fitments. Let's move on to number 4. It's going to be D14C5. Type that in, and then there it is. Number 4 on the list, most popular 5-pin connector, D14C5. This one shows the rear image of the connector to get a really close-up shot of what the front and back looks like. Scroll down. It only has one main function as a main headlamp, but nonetheless, it's a very popular connector. And number 4, top selling 5-pin. Number 3, Y510A5. Number 3 on the list. This one has a more exhaustive list. It's going to be mainly used for front radar sonar sensor and mass airflow for Lexus vehicles and Toyota, but again, interchangeable with front camera, a couple Mazda Kia vehicles as well. Number 2, C26B5. Number 2 on the list, top selling 5-pin connector. Again, you get different accurate shots of the front and back. You can see this one, once you click related connectors, it's going to give you the male and female or vice versa counterpart of what this connector actually connects to on the other end. So that's number 2. Now let's move on to our number 1 top selling 5-pin connector for 2022 so far, L24A5. And this one's actually number 21 overall top selling out of all of our connectors for 2022. Again, different images. This one also has the picture of a rear, and you could get a closer shot of what the rear and front looks like once you click or hover over the image. Now this one is not very exhaustive. It's just for turbo for select Honda, but as you can see, it's going to have great reviews and nothing that it connects to. Again, if you have any questions though in real time, we know that you have to get your estimates done quickly. But you hit this chat button in the bottom right hand corner, you'll be connected to a Pigtail Pro in 15 seconds or less. They can help you out with repairs, schematic support, tech support, any questions, or even ordering. So we're here to help you and get answers in at least 30 seconds or less when you come to findpigtails.com. Thanks for watching.